Welcome to my devlog of Pyramid Sim 2. This is an update to my Pyramid Sim game, and my Pyramid Sim game is available to download and play for free. And when Pyramid Sim 2 is done, it'll be available to download and play for free, and the link will be in the description. This is where I got my measurements for the size of the pyramid from Wikipedia. Here it says initially standing at 146.6 meters. It says the base was measured to be about 230.3 meters. So those are the measurements that I used. I'm going to show the method I used to measure the pyramid dimensions. This diagonal really only shows you the angle, which is 51.85. It's located at 0, 0, 0, and I made it really long with 500 here, and then I made it thinner at 0.01, just so you can see. If I made it like, really thin, the line would be exactly right here. Now, this shows the exact center of the pyramid, which would be right where my arrow is now. That would be the exact tip of the pyramid. I'll show you how I measured that on these other measurements, but remember the diagonal is only really showing me the angle. And this would be where my X is now would be the exact center of the pyramid. Also, all these poles start out as 1 meter cubes, so keep that in mind. So this has a position of 0, 0, 0, and I made it 146.6. So that's the height of the pyramid. Then the base down here is at 0, 0, 0, and it's 230.3. And then I brought the base up here, and it's at 0, 0, and then at the height, and then it's 230.3. So I align the base exactly with the height of the pyramid, which is at the 146.6. And then the base, I turned 90 degrees, and I got this one here. So it's still at 0, 0, and then the same height, but I turned it 90 degrees. It's still, the same base as 230.3. So that's why it shows the exact center of the pyramid. So the pyramid asset from Unreal Engine, this pyramid asset, is actually about 1 meter short, and it looks like it's a little bit longer this direction. And on the base, it's about the same. That's where it is on the base. It's the same on this side. So it doesn't really make any difference because you're not going to be able to tell the difference if it's a meter off. But I just wanted to show the way I made the measurements because I try to be as accurate as I can. Right now I'm running a test with the character at the top of the pyramid. And this is a new model that I created in the pyramid. And I created this model using the modeling tool in Unreal Engine 5. And I used the stair feature. So this model is made out of the stairs functionality, and it's 146 steps, and each step is 1 meter high, and it's 0.78 meters deep. So I'm thinking about um, adding this feature to the game where you'd be able to climb up the pyramid on your own, and then you could just find the entrance on your own by climbing up the pyramid. And then also you'd be able to climb to the top of the pyramid if you wanted to, which in real life they don't allow you to climb on the pyramid. I've, um, some people have climbed on the pyramid if you have special permission, um, but normally they don't allow you to do that. So the real pyramid right now it's like made out of a bunch of blocky stones, and you can climb up on it. I think it's not that difficult. But originally, I think they say the pyramid was covered in casing stones and it might have been smooth. So I'm not sure what that would have looked like. And if it was covered in casing stones, I'm not sure whether that would have been as easy to climb or not. But right now, it's not covered in casing stones and it's made out of blocky stones, and you can climb on it if they allowed you to do that. So I could go down slowly if I want to, or I could just go down fast, and you can stop anytime you want and look up. That's what it looks like from the bottom. So I'll show you how I did this. The initially I created this front piece of the pyramid, and then I used that same piece to create the other three sides. So this same piece is used for the left side, the right side, and for the back side. Then what I wanted to do is I wanted to join the four pieces into one mesh. That's when I started to run into some problems. I was able to join two pieces. That worked. And I was able to join three pieces. But then when I tried to join three pieces to the fourth piece, then I started getting errors that was saying I was running out of memory. So on this laptop, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. I have a 12th generation i7 with integrated graphics. So it might be that my laptop's not powerful enough, or also this modeling tool is still experimental and it's in beta test. So it could be the modeling tool also. I'm not sure. I think I could use it in like, have this three pieces as one and then this other piece separate. I could probably use it this way, even if I can't, get it to join in just one mesh. So I might do that, but I have more testing to do to see how this works in the game. So if it does work, I think I'll probably add this to the game because I think it'd be a good feature to have. I cut a door in the front panel of the step pyramid. So this is just the front panel. I want to test this with the character. Now, if I use the step pyramid, I'd be getting rid of these stairs that are a ramp to the pyramid. That's the whole idea. But this is just for testing, so yeah, I think this works good. I still need to test what the materials look like on it, but so far I think this is going to work.